As the demand of internet usage is rising, the access to the internet has become a lot easier. Gathering and storing data in the internet is rapidly growing. Similar to environmental waste, people are generating approximately 50 billion gigabytes of data daily. The only solution in the era of big data is IPFS plus Filecoin. This is the future of the Web 3.0 and the biggest opportunity in the blockchain ecosystem. Filecoin is the token being used in the ecosystem. It is being used to incentivize users that are using IPFS technology. It uses a new mechanism called proof of space-time storage. Essentially, you are proving storage space to the network for a certain time. As the shared economy of Web 3.0, Filecoin is the reward for decentralized distributed storage. Unlike traditional cryptocurrency mining like Bitcoin and Ethereum, which requires high electricity usage and noise pollution, Filecoin mining only requires storage space and broadband. Hence, it offers a fair incentive layer for the market and miners. Aside from being the only revolutionary breakthrough after Ethereum, this is the only project with real-time application value among the 4,300 projects based on cryptography and blockchain technology. Filecoin has a total supply of 2 billion. 15% goes to Protocol Labs, 10% to investors, 5% to the foundation, and 70% of the token can only be minted through mining. At the time when this video was made, the total circulating supply is approximately 223 million, with 127 million currently being pledged for collateral and 30 million being burnt for gas fees. In 2017, Protocol Labs went through SEC compliance to launch the first ever SEC-compliant ICO that received $257 million in funding, which breaks the all-time record for ICO funding at that time. In 2021, Grayscale, an industrial leader in digital currency investing, launched an individual product called Grayscale Filecoin Trust. Why Filecoin? Here are some advantages of Filecoin. Number 1. The file storage and retrieval deals are negotiated in open markets. Number 2. Because storage is paid for, Filecoin provides a visible economic reason for files to stay available over time, hence making storage reliable. Number 3. Storage providers prove their reliability through their track record published on the blockchain, not through marketing claims published by the providers themselves. Number 4. The code that runs clients and storage providers is open source. Number 5. Prices for storage and retrieval are determined by supply and demand, not corporate pricing departments. Number 6. The Filecoin network continually verifies that files are stored correctly. Number 7. Filecoin has an active community of contributors to answer questions and help newcomers get started. Number 8. Applications implementing Filecoin can store their data on any miner using the same single protocol. Imagine if you started cryptocurrency mining years ago. The price of Bitcoin surpassed more than 10 million times since 2008, while the price of Ethereum at 6,000 times since 2014. Now in 2021, Filecoin has surpassed more than 100 times since the launch of its main net in October 2020. The growth between Bitcoin and Ethereum ran within a 6-year interval. Imagine in another 6 years' time, what would Filecoin's market value be with its first halving happening in 2025? The potential for Filecoin is limitless. IPFS and Filecoin will scale if only 1% of the data ever produced by mankind is being stored on IPFS network.